Do you dream of financial freedom? Imagine a life where your income flows in effortlessly, even while you sleep or enjoy your favorite activities. Imagine waking up to sales notifications. Each ping on your phone is a step closer to your financial goals. Your online course is selling, the numbers on your dashboard keep climbing, and so does your excitement, and you didn't even lift a finger. You're free to relax, sleep peacefully, or enjoy your leisure time. This is the power of passive income. It allows you to spend quality time with your family, travel the world, and live life on your terms. It can change your life. The confidence and freedom it brings are unparalleled. Creating an online course is a great way to earn passive income. You can share your expertise and passion with the world. You share your knowledge with others. Your insights can help and inspire countless people, and you get rewarded for it. Every payment notification is a testament to your hard work and expertise, but many people find course creation daunting. The thought of organizing and producing content can be overwhelming. It seems like a lot of work. The endless to-do lists and the pressure can be discouraging. Traditional course creation can be difficult. From handling video equipment to organizing your materials, it's a tough journey. You need to write scripts, you film videos, you create marketing materials. Each step requires time and effort. It can take months or even years to launch a course. The timeline can be discouraging, especially if you're working late into the night. That's where Course Creation Warrior comes in. We simplify the process, making it more manageable and less stressful. We make course creation easy and fast. Our tools and support help you navigate the process smoothly. You can launch your dream course in just 14 days. Yes, you heard that right, just 2 weeks, even if you're a complete beginner. With Course Creation Warrior, your dream of passive income is within reach. The secret to our success? Artificial intelligence. It's the driving force behind our innovative approach. AI is changing the world in ways we never imagined. It's making everything faster, more efficient, and easier to manage. And now, it's revolutionizing course creation, transforming how we educate. Our program uses advanced AI tools like ChatGPT. ChatGPT helps you create high-quality course content effortlessly. It can generate scripts, outlines, and even entire lessons in minutes. You don't need to be a professional writer to create engaging content. AI does the heavy lifting for you, simplifying the entire process. But that's not all. There's more to it. AI can also help you with marketing your courses effectively. It can create compelling sales pages that attract students. It can write engaging social media posts to boost your online presence. With AI, you can reach more students and increase your sales significantly. AI takes the guesswork out of course creation, making it straightforward. It gives you the tools and guidance you need to succeed in your educational endeavors. You can focus on what you do best, sharing your knowledge with the world while AI handles the rest. Course Creation Warrior is your shortcut to online course success. Our program is designed for beginners. We provide a step-by-step blueprint. It guides you through the entire process. In just 14 days, you will validate your course idea, create your course content with AI*, design engaging presentations, build your course platform, market your course to the right audience. We provide all the resources you need, downloadable templates, supportive community forum. You'll also have lifetime access to our program. We're constantly updating our content. You'll always have the latest information and strategies. Section 4, From Beginner to Course Launch Hero Success Stories. This section is dedicated to showcasing the incredible journeys of our students who started with little to no experience and have now become successful course creators. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to the voices of those who have walked the path and achieved their dreams. Hear from our students who have achieved amazing results with Course Creation Warrior, transforming their ideas into profitable online courses. I was skeptical at first, but I'm so glad I took the leap. The transformation has been nothing short of extraordinary. Course Creation Warrior made the entire process so much easier than I ever imagined. The step-by-step guidance was invaluable. I launched my course in 12 days and made my first sale within 24 hours. Sarah J., Online Business Coach. The support and resources provided were top-notch. As a busy mom of 3, I never thought I'd have the time or energy to create an online course. The demands of daily life seemed too overwhelming, but Course Creation Warrior made it possible. The flexible schedule and easy-to-follow modules fit perfectly into my hectic life. I launched my course in 14 days and I'm already earning passive income while I spend time with my family. Maria L., parenting expert. It's been a game changer for my work-life balance. I wasted so much time and money trying to figure out course creation on my own. The frustration was overwhelming. I wish I had found Course Creation Warrior sooner. The clarity and direction it provided were exactly what I needed. It's the best investment I've ever made in my business. John D., marketing consultant. The return on investment has been phenomenal. These are just a few of the countless success stories from our community. Each story is a testament to the power of dedication and the right guidance. You can achieve the same results. With determination and the right support, your success story is just around the corner. All you need is the right guidance and tools. Course Creation Warrior is here to provide exactly that, helping you every step of the way. Section 5. Unlock your potential. Join the course creation revolution. Are you ready to unlock your course creation potential? Join Course Creation Warrior today. We'll help you launch your dream course in just 14 days. Imagine the freedom of earning passive income. Picture yourself making a difference in the lives of your students. This can be your reality. Don't wait. Take the first step towards your online course dreams. Click the link below to learn more and enroll in Course Creation Warrior today.